If you're making pixel art in Krita, knowing how to export it correctly is super important. If you export a 32 by 32 or 64 by 64 image at its original size, it can end up looking like a tiny dot on modern screens, and a lot of websites will blur it when they stretch it. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to scale and export pixel art in Krita while keeping those edges sharp and clean. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your pixel art project in Krita. Before exporting, you want to make sure the image is scaled up properly, because exporting at the original tiny size is usually not what you want for sharing online. The goal here is to enlarge the artwork without losing the crisp, blocky style that makes pixel art look good. To do that, go to the top menu and click Image, then choose Scale Image to New Size. You can also use the shortcut control Alt and I if you want to save time. This opens the scaling window where you can control exactly how your artwork will be resized. Now look for the drop-down menu that says Pixels and change it to %. This makes it easier to scale your artwork by a clean multiplier instead of entering a specific pixel value manually. For pixel art, you want to use a nice even number like 400%, 800%, or even 1000% depending on how large you want the final image to be. The key is to keep it simple and use a clean multiple so the artwork stays true to its original shape. Next, look for the filter option. This part is extremely important. Click the drop down and select nearest neighbor. This is the setting that prevents Krita from smoothing out your pixels. If you use a different filter, your artwork may become blurry, soft, or anti-aliased, which defeats the whole purpose of pixel art. Nearest neighbor keeps every pixel sharp and preserves that classic retro look. Once you've chosen your scale and selected nearest neighbor, click OK. Krita will now resize the artwork, and you should see that it looks much larger while still staying perfectly crisp. This is exactly what you want before exporting. Now it's time for the export step. Go to File at the top of the screen and click Export. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Alt, Shift and S if you want to export faster. A save window will appear, and here you need to choose where you want to save the file and give it a proper name. Make sure the Save as Type option is set to PNG image with the .png extension. PNG is the best format for pixel art because it keeps the image clean and lossless. Never use JPEG for pixel art because JPEG adds compression artifacts that can ruin the sharp edges and make your artwork look messy. After selecting PNG, click Save. Krita will open a PNG options window. For most pixel art exports, you can leave the settings at their defaults. In most cases, the default PNG export settings are exactly what you want, so just click OK to finish the export. And that's it. You've now exported your pixel art in Krita the right way, with sharp edges and no unwanted blur. This is the best method if you want your artwork to look great on websites, in portfolios, or when sharing it with other people online. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.